Best curriculum purchase I've ever made as a teacher is hands down the Twins in Teaching Culinary Mega Bundle. I transitioned into teaching family and consumer sciences after 10 years as a Spanish teacher, and I was so overwhelmed with the workload of being a foods teacher at first. And as I struggled through my first and second years teaching, I finally found this resource on Teachers Pay Teachers, and I've been blessed with quality and easy to implement resources that I rely on for the majority of my lessons. I feel confident that I bring content that is friendly formatted and offers enough structure to be predictable, but also offers variety to keep it fresh. Students thrive from this engaging and comprehensive curriculum. Subscribing to the blog has been entirely worthwhile, as Arlene does a phenomenal job keeping in touch with support as needed. I found the Twins and Teaching Culinary Curriculum to be truly transformative for me as a teacher and for my students.
Hello, my name is Jenny Fawcett. I teach FACS 1. I teach culinary. I also teach a food and nutrition. And last year I purchased the culinary bundle curriculum, and it has been fabulous. It has helped me so many times as I was trying to plan for lessons and just have that hands-on. The slideshows are beautiful. The content that you can print and offer to your students is really interactive, and they love it, as well as myself. So I thank you so much. If you're considering buying this bundle, you would love it. It's fabulous.